Let's go over how to add add-ons to your service. So on your Bookme dashboard, you're going to come over and select the service you would like to add the add-on to. Click the three little dots and select Edit. On the left-hand side, you'll select Add-ons, and you'll see two options here, Add-ons and Packages. Since we're focusing on add-ons, you'll click Add New Add-on, and then you can fill in the following details for your add-on. So add a title, you can add a description or let AI generate one. You can select the price for this add-on, choose how many are available per booking, and add a cover photo. If you don't have a cover photo, you can also AI generate one of those. Once you finish that, you can click Create Add-on. And a little note here, if you have existing add-ons, you can select from previously created add-ons to apply to your service. And that's how you create add-ons for your service.